Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Does your new Samsung Galaxy phone have a microSD card slot? If not, how to use a microSD card? Let's see. Unfortunately, your Samsung Galaxy device does not have a microSD card slot. You can only insert 2 physical SIM cards. So now, if you want to expand the memory with a microSD card, you can use a card reader. I have a Digitech card reader. You can buy it from Amazon or Flipkart. Here, you need to insert your microSD card. The advantage of this card reader is that it has a Type-C male port on one side and a USB male port on the other. You can easily connect it to your phone with the Type-C port. After connecting it to your charging port, there is no need to turn on any settings. It will automatically detect it. After that, you can access the media files on your memory card. A notification of USB storage will come up. You can open it from here. If the notification is removed, open the My Files app on your phone. Scroll down. From here, you can access USB storage. That is your microSD card. Now you can transfer or copy any media file from your internal storage to SD card. Or you can copy or transfer any media file from USB storage to your internal storage. Never disconnect the card reader directly before plugging out. Open the notification panel and unmount the USB storage. Once it is successfully unmounted, you can disconnect the card reader. Otherwise, your microSD card data may be lost. So friends, even if your phone does not have a microSD card slot, you can still use SD card in this way. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more update.